Stop. You want to speak English, right? But you are confused how to start. Today I'll tell you how you can master fluency in English without spending a single rupee. So let's start with this video. Stop treating English like a subject and start using it like a tool. Speak to be understood, not to be perfect. First thing that you have to do is set a clear goal. Do you want better conversation, presentation, or interviews? Define one outcome and practice towards it. Second, the most important thing is that prioritizing high frequency phrases and sentence pattern. Learn chunks, not isolated words. Third, shadow native audio. Repeat exactly, matching rhythm and stress. That trains pronunciation and natural flow, and it helps in building your muscle memory. The most important thing is that record yourself daily for 1 minute. Listen, note these three specific improvements, and then repeat. Use real feedback, friends, tutors, or apps that gives correction. Focus on intelligibility before correctness. Fluent speech comes from comfortable phrasing, not perfect grammar, my friends. So, the more fluency you want, the more comfortable phrasing and perfect grammar is not needed. Think in English for short bursts, level objects, narrate actions, rehearse responses, limit translation, build direct connections, read aloud from materials that matches your goal. News you can watch for formal speech. You can also watch podcast for casual flow. These all things will develop the art of learning and speaking. Try to manage the vocabulary with relevance. Learn 20 active words a week and try to use them in conversation the same day. Replace I don't know with let me check. Phrases that keep conversation moving. The next thing that you can do is that finally you can schedule short, consistent sessions. 15 minutes daily beats 2 hours once a week. So you just need 15 minutes daily. Embrace mistakes as data, measure progress by task achieved, not by how you feel. Slowly, these all techniques will help you in getting fluency. Do this with discipline and clarity, and you will speak English that's confident, precise, and ready for real situations. Thank you. If you like the video, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and keep tuned to this channel. Thanks for watching.